guys, it's Deidre from our Upcycled Life and welcome to my channel. If you like thrifting, DIYs, and repurposing, you've come to the right place and we'd love to have you follow along. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any great content. Today I'm going to show you how to age paper, just plain computer paper. So you can make it look really rustic and really old and really antique looking, and then you can add it to your projects. It's a really simple procedure, and today I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can make it yourself. I'm actually doing a series of videos on different techniques that you can age paper. So I'll put a link below in the description for the other ones that I've done so you can go back and watch them after you've watched this one. Okay, let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to age plain computer paper. I've printed these graphics from the Graphic Fairy and I'll put a link below in the description. I've printed off 2 copies so you can see the difference when I'm finished the one. And you're going to need a little bit of paper towel for spills. You're going to need a little sponge. You're going to need a bowl of hot water and some instant coffee. The first thing that I like to do is crumple the paper really well so it gives it that age look. You don't have to do this. This is optional. I just like the effect that it gives. I have printed this off on my LaserJet printer. You can try an inkjet, but I find sometimes the ink runs when you're using an inkjet printer. Next, you're going to take a 1/4 cup of hot water and put in 1 heaping tablespoon of instant coffee and stir it up really well. And then let it sit and cool. Once it's cooled, you're going to dip your sponge into that mixture and you're going to dab it and spread it all over that piece of paper, making sure you get into all the corners and all the little wrinkles. You can leave little puddles of the coffee mixture here and there. It just gives the end result a little bit more texture. Flatten it out on the cookie sheet really gently, and then you're ready to dry it out. Now preheat your oven to 200 degrees. You're going to place your paper in the oven and don't walk away and don't leave it. You want to stand and watch it and wait for it to dry out. This piece of paper, it took about 5 minutes for it to dry completely. Now it's all dried out and it's looking fantastic, and I'm just going to finish it off. And here's the comparison from the plain computer paper to the aged computer paper using the coffee mixture. I like to flatten them out once they're finished. It makes it easier to work with. So I've got my iron on a very low setting, as low as it'll go. I'm going to put it between 2 sheets of computer paper and I'm going to spray it with my water from my iron and then just gently iron out all of the wrinkles on the paper and make it flat again. Now you have graphics and a piece of plain computer paper that looks like it's 100 years old. Check out my playlist, as I have 2 other videos, one using milk and one using tea bags, that will achieve a different look of antiquing if you're interested to try those out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.